So this is the dog cam, what I see every day. When I walk the dogs, I have Noodle. On one side we have the belt apparatus. So they're like affixed to the belt so that I can actually walk with my hands in gloves. And there's Noodle trekking along. There's Cody over on this side. And they kind of balance each other out because basically we have Noodle on the left, pulling me left. Cody on the right, pulling me right. And it's like a satellite being held stationary in orbit by two opposing gravitational fields. Although occasionally Noodle decides that we need to go faster. And she does a jump. At which time I usually go to the left. She gets the hang of walking within about 10 minutes. But there's that initial 10 minutes of, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're going on a walk, oh my god. That's kind of hard to overcome. So Cody just treks along. Doo-doo-doo. And it was like, faster, go, faster. Okay, sit. Good girl. Let's go. Oh, you saw a bird. It's a bird. Let's go. Don't pull me over. Ugh. Come on, Cody. It's not time to pee yet. And unfortunately, this little gadget doesn't zoom out very much, so basically it turns into the back of Noodle's head cam. Oops. And Cody has decided it's time to pee, which takes like an absurd amount of time. Okay, let's go. Alright, ready? Let's go. Very exciting.